Good evening. You're back again. Yes, so once we have 50, no 100.
No, we need at least 500 because
500.
No. This platform is now
I'm away from 1,000 upwards, but after 500.
Okay. Yes. Okay. Hello. Good evening.
500 is too small for the name 24.
Wow, good evening. Yes. Yeah. Oh, 100 now already.
This one iPhone.
Yes, we can do that 130 now. Good evening, Abigail, Omorege, Prince.
You know I can change it. Let me see.
250 already. Wow.
Invite your friends.
300 already.
500 is a small.
300 already. Mama, they're here. Wow. And this family, I love them too much. Almost. Please, know that thing, madam. Yeah, 400 already. 450. Wow.
Please, 1,000, 1,000.
Wow, 570.
And also 1,000.
Wow.
Yes.
We can go bigger news, breaking news. Breaking news for us today. Yes, so good evening everyone. Good evening.
You want me to see you?
Sugar boy, good evening.
UK is
Good
out
evening,
of
Rest
red
One.
list.
Good evening.
Yes,
Easy, Omorege. Good to see you. Thank you for all your posts. We really appreciate it.
The Warriors for
Thank you very much. Thank you very much, Mandy, James. Yeah, we're 700, going to 800. Sure, we can kick off now.
It's all right.
Yes, ahead. I keep paying money card. We are 600. Yes, I know, Mandy. Yes, we are 800 already now. So we can. Wow, this is good.
This is good.
That means we are progressing.
Yes.
When they West Area open this speech, yo.
So we are going to start with Papa West. Our time already. Right. Now almost 900 now. Wow, this is great.
We're hitting 1,000 soon.
Wow, 900 now. We're going. Less than almost 5 minutes. You're already there. Once it's 965. That's now that's 65. 976.
1,000 in 1 minute.
Wow, this is great. This is we are really progressing. Edo is progressing a lot too. Edo is progressing. Waki.
More unified.
Yes, I love it. 1K1. So
I love you guys.
If I give them speech.
Now it's 1,001.
Next time, we will give them spoke. Next time, if I give them spoke. If I give them
we give do ni ma meni ma ya we ni ma una aga tiokpa oyi hwene eni ma se ge ni ma oni o ka wo ko ba na wa ya fe ni mudia ni ma ya se ke ni ma yina na no ma ya lele ma ga mi ya fe ni ma o de ma ri pon me nu wa ya fe ma don wa we na so ma pon wa ma ro wa wa get yi fu wa yes wa be wa o.
Yes, as my brother spoke less, I spoke. Now, you only go there as he spoke. Now, I want to speak less for you people now. You need to know where il y a de l'immense nire Nottingham, nire Liverpool, to the barrière Glasgow, avec mes wakin. Ouais, fait d'autres states à state à tiers, d'autres maman nire dans city ou ato. Wa bon ba wa ya ze o wa re ti ba ma ti na me ke we wa ni re do ni re do ni mo se wa mo ti ya ma ze ye ma we ba come wa we e ma mu de ni small higher less
wa mu de
wa we small
wa mu de no ya we mi ma mu de wa mu
okun wa bo
menia
wo pa ga mo ku wa me re do mu
o ka si o ni
ba se we
okay we
la ma bin ta je ba re do ni mo se wa we so ni wa la ma yede mo kun wa de wa de ma ya fe gba ku wa ki ma gba okun wa ni mo let me stop now bin ta je ba we e Liverpool e Glasgow e Nottingham okun wa ma mu le Maya fefe ku wa ki ma ngba la ku wa ni. So malani wa we se ni wa to pe o. God bless me and you. Amen.
Waya wa we se.
Ma festo.
Waya wa we se iye do me ne wa ire. Awa mi ma gi mo ma. Ara mi ma gi mo ma regi. Ara mi ma gi mo ma regi. Ara mi ma gi mo ma regi. Ege gaye o regi. Ege gaye o regi. Oh, wagi na ye ni a do men wagi na ye ni a Wagina yenia wagina yenia mama kwe mamoseo wagina yenia mama kwe mamoseo wagina yenia mama kwe mamoseo siwo odabia mamoseo
I want to mark where I am.
Okay, now my camera not die.
I want to mark where I am. Mark where I am.
Have you bathing today?
I did bet now.
Mom, Maria Gua, why you are wasting a bima. Even now, go year for Bua. Bore already. I look bonipa. Upona 2022 ni mavi lana obi my masayo. Akugbe na ni mavi na ora lele mayaki ande. To wa ya wa ato. Oba ne do ra tok be he.
Ibi adoni mose. Iwon ni ate so mi me. Won ri won ni wa like ni ki. Aga mi o ma ge mo ma. Igi no kwa no. Ami wa ge mi mwene. Ana be mi mege mu wa. E ko fun me ko so mo nyeme. Mo da we awe mo man wa ri mame. Imate ka we awe me 7 na so pan igire emi onyunu na do aro nothing wa we si e atota edigweji Liverpool wa we si be no mi na fi se na wa ya na yeladia afi maga afi me mete we me ga mi maro pa wa ga na my day irene o maka me I wa be se glow glass at the glass
A glow glass
Glass wet.
Because I get wa we
Yes,
on the field unu we avale kele wa we si imwe gbero to na ya pon wa ya na pon wa ya fefefe runda mani kwikware na meneti obima runda evini mawu mama na me wa no gay mana mi wa no dan e won ni maso bia bi makia mu diaji inari inari kmo me 24 bits ona hanoze webu ona we mo me Eunice gweha beni logo is 24 bit 7 ai imamwe gbeni ya je webu owe tu mostore e fancy we kewe ina ugo ni na beti gigelere na gele to bege we e fancy me gele keme tagaje were o 24 bit yo tagaje were o 24 bit yo o we no gbazana bo Mario Pia o mama jere o tagaje were o 24 bit yo 24 bit aje no mo kan aje were aje mi ameje were aje ogugu je were aje oga dege keje were aje aga ti omo ari gogo kan aje were aje ogu to me o kan aje were aje ogu ma me o kan aje were aje oge ameyon ma bayon ma no ma o kan aje were runda imaete mwegbe oksipe anaketi me na ide o ma ese solobo aju wopo ni ma je berie made o ikaka mwede na we oso opisan ina we Milan ne opum
Isanye Milan agio ina agio Milan
Zebe ni tadesi before a rude boy came tarot We coming. I rebuke you. We coming. Meanwhile, Manawe, Mamwegbe, Amegbugo, Amegbe Sakpede, Amegbe Karita, Ametoka, Amenota, Mabagati Mamwegbe, loaded reservoir no, Wawese big bima. But the boy 24-bit yeke, no make now we no sona, because Emma roto. Emma boon, na mure, and they will come here at the salon. A wife. Why do they boy?
Why you daughter that you allow?
Wife, a wife. A wife ya dala, why a wife? Oga gunime, ati a wife. Oga here is your wife. Or a wife city. You're my wife city. A chief wife city.
Everybody say get it back.
Okay, that way. No, Okbari wuna will be a few. Odoreva kota. Auntie, have you anything? Imagine no you care for anything? Or a woman only me we more a picture than Mario was about Debawe. Oh, Biana Zetti, a piece of white block or a woman 24-bit, and then I know, but you know, I get try. No one of you, my dear, what make better, Tenefu by Yam make better, no for why I say bag. So about the bagua, Ijak mon bien, my dear, even le room is where you are talking. Nous avons au quoi moi biomon, au monage on est à l'eau Niger. Il joue au cocoué, mon parent mêlé, et sinon les Wakotana, boza.
On a rien, ma ouais. Apa ouais, on est chauffeur de barre boyo yeke. Ku ouais qui me ouni ma yeni ha.
Yes, oh.
Okay, on y boise from mama you anyhow.
One time I walk on here concerning you. I was scared.
Okay.
I was scared.
Okay.
Why is it, Mama Eunice? I
Yes.
to the house.
It's
Why
pocket.
can't you bring?
It's
Why
pocket.
can't you bring the boy? You better remember you are a wonderful person. Even on your make what tough one. Yeah, tough one. You way I love you. Anyone say, "Well, say we work on why loving was show him what we say. I didn't expect it. Well, we say,
He is in the building.
Awije Saraju wayo Nama. Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, I am overwhelmed. Do you know why? You guys show us a very massive love. Like, it was so super. Now we're heading to another cities this week, and we want a very bigger support, more than the one you guys showed us before. And this is going to be coming to your city. We're going to be coming to Birmingham, Manchester, and where?
London.
And London. So Birmingham, Manchester, London, Ireland. We're coming. So this week, you all have to show us the biggest support you can. Get your ticket as much as possible. Reserve your tables, and we'll be coming to your city. Etima, Etiwano. The Bation Salobo. Oh, wow, my dear. Hey, hey, If you don't know, please come one, come all.
Yes,
it's going to be happening this week again. Birmingham, London, and Manchester. We're coming through. Yeah, make sure you can support us. God bless you guys. We love you so much. 24-bit family worldwide.
Yeah, I just want to say thank you
Understanding.
all so much for your massive support for the 24-bit brand. Lots of support that has come through from our fans in Tottenham, our fans in Glasgow, our fans in Liverpool. Big up for you guys. We really, really appreciate your support. And I really want to say a special thank you to our big fans that has been sending us stuff in London, in our location where we are here. First of all, I want to say a big thank you to Don Tito Uwesi. Don Tito, before our guest arrived, Don Tito made sure that they all had a jacket for the weather.
On est femelle Don Tito.
Et Don Tito, if your jacket is or one man say Don Tito na tisi or see Don Tito na mu create anyo. Look, please, 24, can you?
Don Tito me no vie. 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 Moi c'est la moquette là, Don Tito, on y est bimé o. On y est bimé Don Tito.
Don Tito, we really appreciate your support. We really thank you. And we thank you for spreading the news as well, for your friends and your fans to support us as well. And also, Mama Leva, Glamour Kitchen, please. Glamour Kitchen, we really appreciate. We really appreciate. Mama, we are not tired of your support. We are not tired of your support. That is why mana awe omanodo pome say when I win na because we want more support. We want you to support us more because we want to be able to do things like this for you. We're going to make 24 bits.
Yes,
because
that was 24. Up mama say when are we away? When are we away? Up mama say when are we away? When are we away? Up mama say when are we away? When are we away? Up mama say when are we away? When are we away? Up mama say when are we away? For your man now, you see they don't convert this boy. I go there with those men are young.
He told me Botana in a news update because me am 24 bit time I'm anyway game and not day because we have people from the House of Assembly that has already bought tickets that they were going to come in for this event, but a closure and I will give up away in a way. Yes. But can you imagine? Because of your support, also I want to be 24 bit. And a red. Can you imagine? In the history of red list, there is no country that has stayed as short in red list as Nigeria. Nigeria was already in red list for less than 1 week. So can you imagine how about the support the program in So I mean, we are some money every year.
I will my son. Tamane nigao. Tamane nigao. Tamane nigao. Adeki nigao bina adeki araku. Tamane nigao. 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 What we're trying to say is there is no red list for 80% of the cities in Europe anymore. So you can come out, can support. There is no red list. Buy your ticket right now. We coming to your city. Oh.
Yes, so
I don't even see. I don't even hear me.
So we just for your information, we're getting our 100% support.
Yes, sir.
There is no red list. We're getting fans coming in from Nigeria.
Yes.
The tickets hooked, and they are going to be here, and they are going to be live in that event. We are expecting to see you guys, and it will be your opportunity to meet with them as well.
Yes.
Please, pick up for 24 Bits. Pick up for Miss 24 Bits. I'd like Miss 24 Bits to speak to you guys now.
I want to go here, boy.
Clear some stuff up. There's a lot of questions.
Okay.
My City.
by far, by physically. She has all the titles.
My
She's
Facebook
even a
family.
chief wife by far, by physically.
Oh my God. Thank you guys. I'm so happy today because it's been good news. We're off the red list. I know people were really down because obviously we had the ticket today. Even we're traveling for our show in January. And today the government has completely made a U-turn. So we're no longer on the red list. That means we're all going to Benin City for January. Don't forget, January 11th, SIO Event Center, Benin City for the Edo Legend celebration. Coming back here, there's been a few questions I'd like to clear up. People said, how do they get into the halls because of this current COVID season? So according to the government rules, events above 500 people will need, they will need to have a COVID passport or a negative PCR test done within the last 48 hours. None of our events will be above that because we're trying to keep the numbers down so that those rules doesn't apply to us. So you can come in freely as before. So if you were scared, if you were anxious, you can buy your tickets. And I know there are people who has called us to say they heard the event has been cancelled. We have not cancelled any events at all. So please, if you haven't seen it on our wall, follow 24B. Okay? And if you're unsure, clarify with us. We haven't cancelled any show. Birmingham, we're seeing you on Saturday. Manchester, we're seeing you on Sunday. On Boxing Day, the 26th. London, it's your turn. And then on the 28th, we're in Ireland, Dublin. So we're still going with the show
in
Ireland. The first time ever. We can't wait to see you guys. It's our first time visiting and we can't wait to see you guys. So yes, that's how it is. Also, we've heard from a few sponsors today who reached out to us. And this is really good news because I'm excited. And what our sponsors want to do, the first people that paid for their tickets, the first 8 people, 8 tables that paid for their 8 tables, they're getting a bag of rice for this Christmas, okay? So, we have gone through... Oh my God, don't be as Nigerian, honestly. Oh my God. Okay, so that's for that one. The first people that paid for their 8 tickets, 24 Beats himself has gone through the list and we've collated with other people that were selling the tickets. This is for London, isn't it? Yes, for London, because this sponsor is in London. So 24 Beats will call you guys and he will tell you guys if that is you. There no time because the company will wire you, okay? But you get a bag of rice. Also, his name is Bendelfus Epadomo Weseka Boss. So Bendelfus So the first 8 tables, you'll be getting a free bag of rice. Yes. And also for the next few shows, we also have another sponsor who has kindly donated a few gifts. So the quiz section that Mommy Eunice, you will be getting a present, okay? So
If you miss the question, you pause.
So I'm not really get any question in Mama Eunice, no. I'm your present, I'm your gift to Vedario. So we're so grateful for all your support. Thank you. And you guys are asking how is Brother Musela doing? He's fine. He's in good spirits.
It's coming out soon.
So today,
The good news is that today is the 8th.
today is the day. Yeah. Today is day 8, so that means by latest on Thursday he's out. But we know the government is considering releasing everybody in quarantine right now, and hopefully they also might be, we don't know yet. So by latest anyway, he'll be out on Thursday, meaning that from the next few shows you will definitely see him. Isha will be represented full force, okay? So no shaking on that one. And also, I'm not sure if there was any more questions, but if there are, please, I'm going to the comment section. I will answer you. And if we need to address anything, we will also address it as well. Honey, was there anything else?
No.
You said it all.
No, this is 24 times.
Yeah, apart from Jerusalem.
No, 24. This is the man of the moment.
After the 10, after the 10. Apart Jerusalem, today is the 8th for Jerusalem. Other Bali, I don't need me. Other Falefo. Let me tell you for 10 days. I'm not away. After the 10, other for the way
I want to say very big thank you to some wonderful friends who actually deemed it fit and said to me, how can we really support this movement of 24-bit? And we spoke at length. I said, I have to direct you guys directly to 24-bit, and a couple of you are responding already, and a couple of you have sent one gift or the other, and I'm hoping that a whole lot of you are also going to do more. So I'm using this opportunity to say a very big thank you to our wonderful sister, Angel Omorege. Thank you so much. 24-bit just confirmed that he got your support, and a couple of other persons that are doing the same thing. So I want to use this opportunity again to say a very big thank you to us. Many of you who have also suggested and wished to, who have also wished to support this program and have asked me a couple of questions over time. So hopefully all of us good one together. Wanna do well. Without you guys, we are nobody.
We say thank
so
you.
we say thank you so very much.
You've been so supportive. Okiana ni kiana Uruso manodwa me Akia. O mana gbona igbe ko 24-bit o ma no lo ma fi o ma fo wa. Iye mege Mrs. Vie den no re no we. Imwegbere to yak mama we. Naomi, sister Naomi no mi me. We say, emi ya no viore momewe. Falcon Empire ikmomewe. Ogwani stage be Abuja. Obimege egese aiko dia se. Okiame na dedicate enwe.
Esano.
Obi edo wanu. Aiko dia se yon we Iyase Queen of Queens. Ikpomo we runda igi so wani. Ina we mati ogokana owe egese ati amegi be say UK na. Yo me wa call me Eunice ure egese. So okiame na I dedicate enwe me. Egese na gelese ni yare. Waya we say
I want to tell people.
Don't Tito wato. Iba wata wa dedicate a jacket gear or twere Osasui West. You know man dogo me. Igelere a jacket na ge. Big
shout out to Don Tito.
Why are you gift gume? A sort of no way I go your macanti. My meal. I want to thank
I need a translator.
I need a brother no Zebo. Don't know when on Zebo. is her name?
Miss
Miss yes.
Kudenzo
Okwoni ejueri si ya no jo no wa ke ya vio me the glass.
Oh, about the
Wa ma te na ma.
Ono ba vio me. Adono de ye be.
11 years for like 11 we see. Oh.
Eti mata.
Mama te na ma.
Okay, we're going to
Yes, yes.
let it talk.
Small but mighty. Joshua, yes, song.
Joshua, let's you be back.
Where school? Everywhere.
Joshua,
let's all and only do.
Yeah, we have one man.
He said,
you might go Josie Cross.
Anyway, we have any we need to go give man. I was saying what. But I want to find out you were yourself. More grace are coming to us. Yeah,
but not tired.
But we have not tired. We will fight to.
I get big.
More.
I'm not pulling another van.
What it
I'm not pulling.
I think as what is sense why you What's cost it? What's cost it?
I
don't think I'll take that.
I'll go over there. I get what I'm a muscle. You're I am not tired. I am not tired.
La wa eso le yo.
Okay, what about tell me I am your son.
Yeah, you are so less son. Good boy.
Thank
you so much.
What are you putting on?
Okay. Tap send do.
Me I wanna say who are you?
Oh no, wa here. What the time?
Wa here go go.
Wa here go one. Uda the hap.
Where you when ya?
My just learn.
What me you na if the work that they will have you wa.
I will not finish.
You try me.
I want to this one on tap say do.
Yes now.
You sure say they work?
They work. Very baby they work.
I want to load down so.
Download down.
I go put my money there. You go reach out.
Oh, come and
He guarantee you.
yes now. For life. Tap send.
Yes.
What here?
Tap send. Jero mo wa ri go we your mana so wa. Ma ri nu.
My ready now.
All right, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, we got a new platform where you can send your money to Nigeria. It's called Tap Send. You can go to your iTunes stores, you can go to your iPod stores. If you're using Android, you can just download Tap Send and you can download and send money to Nigeria. We love you so much, 24 Big Family. We can't wait to see you all this weekend. We'll be in Birmingham, we'll be in Manchester, and we'll be in London. God bless you guys. We love you. One love.
Okay, we're going to 24 Bits is going to have to say something before we go.
I'm not here for them.
24 Bits. Oh, we need to hear 24 Bits.
What I will say. What I will say. Nottingham. I believe Payata.
Nottingham.
Yeah.
Don't call the Nottingham. Oba mi ato yase we.
Okay, we're Nottingham. Nottingham, Liverpool, Glasgow, Scotland. I want to say a big thank you to you guys. Imagodos in Glasgow, we say thank you.
Igun fully represented. Any day, anytime. We love you guys.
All these people don't convert me. Let me say I did before.
So, Imagodos family, I say thank you. The big bros, Fred. I can say Sister Evangelist Gladys.
Yes.
I want to say a big thank you to you guys over there. And Jigbandi, you Peter, I say.
Glamorous Kitchen.
Jigbandi, yes. It matters when we went very funny, but I want to say a big thank you to you. Princess Everywhere Good. Liverpool. I want to say thank you. Everyone.
Just everywhere good. Where so?
Where came Mr.
Hey, I get it, man.
Yes.
And then this is start to the master Omorege too. Sister
Yes, I don't remember her name. What about the lady that came to cook for us down there? You should know her name.
Yes, the Nuwa Udala kitchen.
Rejoice.
Rejoice. Thank
you for the food.
God bless you, Rejoice. You were so smart, you were so nice, you were so accommodative. We love you so much.
So we love you guys. Our friend over MC Glasgow. Okay, want to say a big thank you. The Nottingham, Olu2, Sister Faith, all the crew in Nottingham. Want to say a big thank you to you guys. Really appreciate it. And like what my missus have said already, the sponsors. I was surprised that until we were not the first eight people that were at the table. Which is 8 tables is going to get them one bag of fries.
Wow.
No, General. So that's London.
Okay.
So and I'll go through my accounts or my tickets. I'll check my card there. Then we'll bring their pack.
I'm not tying there were people that paid
first. When my book, Manika about 50 people paid in October. I will check those. I'll check their names there. I think we have money. The other sponsors like Tap
One more kitchen.
Glamour Kitchen.
the hair.
Yeah.
Yes.
Squares Beauty.
So I want the questions. Now, no, when it pass so you have the gift from London.
Okay.
From London, because when London you have sponsor.
Yeah.
When London you have sponsor, so you have the gift. The man of him. This time motor no. The iPhone 13 no.
And 24, we are open for sponsorship in the venues that are still yet to be hosted.
Hosted, yes, other cities too. So they said they were going to bring gift for the winners of the Okikinari Miaruwa. Then on my own too. In other words, it's a season of giving, season of showing love, season of blessing people, giving gifts. So I want to challenge everybody that will come to London show and Manchester, if possible. Please buy a gift for one person or one no what the gift, because I will come to where you are that they will give to them. They will call somebody from the crowd. I'm going to buy a gift for at least 10 people.
Wow.
So I'm going to give them gift. So please, let's show love. It's a season of giving. So my way is that it's a season of you can buy it, or the one with the gift, you can still put £20 or £50 or £10, wherever look. And I'm okay. A gift to a gift to a material actually I don't buy with the crowd. Money. Maybe somebody else, a random person will say, okay, call somebody there. They'll say, so let's just show love. Now, let's just be happy. It's a season of giving, season of love, season of celebration. And today now, I mean, that good news we're red list. So you see, so January show 11th is going to be powerful.
No, personally, 24 Bit January show as the manager of 24 Bit brand London. 5 tables.
Yo!
Yeah, those people that got those 5 tables, I'm going to surprise them. Wow. 24 Bit, tell me the 5 tables, and I'm going to surprise them with a London brand package.
Wow! Okay, so
I'm surprised. You know my Lexus 3.
Why the table are not surprised you?
They don't bless me, let us.
Let us make compound.
Ya clear when you talk. What is that for men and move? If you piano cake my worry way. If you have a bad you one, you have a catena making an American. I think I low ever was said. And I said, over the way I don't want to wound dance. Why you won't work here? Let's us
3:30. It don't be a single already there.
Family.
Why you go?
I do laugh. Oh.
Why you going Omorege?
I do laugh. Oh.
We come and go to
You dey laugh.
We go to them. Tobias.
Benny, you're lying.
At least you can. At least I will.
Hey, say don't. Me alone. You might fail in this one.
Where no better wrong.
You know my motto now, but I never talk money.
Everybody walk back Tony. Oma can enjoy your Tony by fire Tony.
Anyway, me listen.
If you're going to
No, I have one theory.
Where the motto now? You must know my number.
One year guarantee I can me. You just say mechanic. Oga wasun we dey do pack your company we. I'm telling you. Because they are so why no can to all do eh. E make up you all do eh. E move on all do eh.
As
I can find that I can tell you do it. You have to see him but it's so
The boy, 24 minutes. Can you tell them? Let's give live questions. Now they 5 minutes in here, 10 minutes.
Okay,
the man live questions.
Yes, because a lot of people say
the questions out. So
a lot of people say they want to handle the question.
No, they should ask the question. Whoever they want to ask, they will read it out.
A lot of people say they want to ask Sister Eunice question.
No, they should ask the question.
If you have any questions, write it in the comment section, and we will try to answer it. Okay? So you know the questions have been asked have been answered already. We're actively working on a few more packages. Once we know more, we'll update you guys. Erumsela is fine. He'll be with us for the next few shows. No event has been cancelled, okay? You can all come into the hall as you would, even in this COVID season. We're following the government guidelines very, very closely. If anything changes, we'll update you guys, but the show is full force. Oh, by the way, London show, we only have a few tickets left. So if you haven't bought, you weren't sure, it'll be wise to buy it now, because as you know, we won't do it like last time where the hall now Vonkwa. We want it to be a bit more space because we have to obviously be mindful of COVID. So man, I did ticket lao. This is the time to buy it because we only have like a very, very, very few limit. Same thing for Manchester and same thing for Birmingham. So if you haven't bought, please reach out. The flyers are up on the wall. Just call the numbers and please buy a ticket. For those of you cooking and bringing food, I appreciate you guys. Thank you so much. You're going to worry me while we're saying. Why stop? Question.
Okay. And just to add to it, one bros gave us £200. The name of that man again.
I'm gonna get 200 pounds. I
don't see many.
Yes, okay. Just to support me.
Omorege.
Yes, to support
What's
me. So I'll go through the list.
200 pounds, not between you.
So, like I said before, it should be a season of giving.
Yes, sir.
So I believe the more you get, no one will give. So when we give, then we'll get in
London show.
26.
No, yeah, somebody asked that question. So
26 is London show,
so
please.
Boxing Day. We're not forgetting the date, at least Boxing Day.
Please, if you have any personal question for any of our artists, you can write in a message now.
Dovies, are you married? I'm not married.
Are you married? I am married.
Which question?
You are married?
Yes.
Which question?
I bet my person don't marry you.
Anybody know later? I do answer. We not there a hall without the I answer.
Okay. Ask
So a question here, what we be say your way live contact.
Me mu da enya.
Who be time?
Yeah, I have a question and answer.
No, we're not going to Germany. Not this year.
I wish it's for
Germany next year.
Now Christmas period.
yes.
EU next year. Europe.
We are
Don't check my wall.
All the
information will be there. Once you go on my wall, before the family, you see the 6 December show.
we are giving you gift in the way. They gift in we are no.
One of UK.
Who are doing on
I think you are
If I know people know my mouth. That place up at Pastor. You know, let you go.
Change your ticket. What's it called? April next year.
For what?
So
You give, I give you.
It's my okay. She call me. No. It's
So
next
what are
year.
you giving?
Next year. We're already giving up on those.
Yeah, the artists that we have now, because of the red list,
Yes.
we cannot be able to assure you of any additional artists.
Any artists that come now, they still go to quarantine for
Yes.
10 days.
At the time,
So,
Esa oye. Esa oye. Our brother will be joining us by this weekend.
this orchestra coming.
I am so happy that our brother will be joining us.
Yes, just answer that correctly.
Yes, other missions are supposed to come, they're not coming anymore because of the 10
See,
days.
call it's okay.
So
You
we
can
cannot
see
bring
the
them.
song, Yankees.
So we just said there's no point. Then next year, the other 5 or 6 of them, then we'll just renew their stuff and.
Okay, have you seen that question? He said, my question is when will the looted artifacts be taken back?
Yes.
Face it. Yes, why you know?
face it.
Yes, why you know before they go in?
Face it, tell me no way.
If you don't want to be the one there with
I don't know is one.
Everybody said, people are brought from Benin down to UK. They are still here with me. So people are brought from Benin down to UK. Yes. They are here with me now.
What have you?
No, don't say so. Listen here, my brother. Everybody are back.
Are you very sure?
Sureless now.
I'm sureless, you know. Don't argue.
Mama, more days ahead. My have your
On the 25th or the 26th, he had a another bank on the day. A police is you winner.
Where for no call?
Okay.
Oh, we have few. But I can't show you. My neighbor. Yes, now.
Okay, so I think so let me go. My deal, my road there. My day ticket.
This Saturday, we come
Manchester, hey,
Ostiasia, man, no, Ostiasia, we're coming to Manchester. My condolence for your mom's funeral, and we're coming straight up. So we're coming. Maybe not soon, but we're coming to party. So Manchester, we love you guys so much. You want to watch Chesterfield?
Australia.
The power west is where is a Romosele? Quick one.
I think 24
by Friday will be
by Friday. All this Thursday show the Magdalena.
It will be
live.
Manchester.
Okay,
live.
Okay, the camera where Mamma go in here. Okay. When you go, it's now. I'm away. That thing they just up and down. To keep away for you. Who that joyful?
Yes.
I say who that assess joyful?
Who does
It's fine.
With us.
And by weekend he's going to join us.
Yeah.
We see him live performing by weekend.
You say everybody. Everybody full.
Mwe got in there.
Moto mai mudiago.
What certificate? Ọ̀sẹ̀ wọ́n pa yà sí wọn wẹ̀. Ẹ̀sán ìgbẹ́dọ̀ ẹ̀dọ̀ ìgbẹ́sán ọ̀pá máyà kí wàgì máa kú gbé. There is Ezekiel yà sí wọn. Ẹ̀dọ̀ ìgbẹ́sán ọ̀pá máyà kí. Nobody can divide us. Ọ̀pá máyà wà kí. Ìmà wà balance. Ṣé bàbá wà tọ̀?
So it's Obama.
This level that you go, sir. We have one together.
Yes. Yes. It's all right. We have a wonderful time today.
So everyone, family, we love you guys. We got to go on Saturday. We'll be in Birmingham. On Sunday, Manchester. Then on the 26th, London. On the 28th, Ireland, which is Dublin. So please, if you're looking for the address, just go on my wall. Everything's there. Then how to buy ticket is still there as well. The date, like I said before, is still there. Then the Nigeria Legends show too on the 11th of January. Everything is on my wall. Any information or any question, please. There's one thing I'm always having problem with. I appreciate you guys trying to say hello and all that. Please, just straight to your question, because after saying hello, then you come back again, how you did? You come back again before you don't ask your question. So it's still, I've got more than 1,000 messages. I can't be going for one-to-one. Just, I know some people do it as well. They will just greet and give and just suggest their questions or give their suggestions or give their ideas. I like that. Just go straight to the point, so I can answer straight. Please, because too much question. What's your secretary to have
from Tata away free drink London.
Wow.
No, not say.
Yeah.
If I don't say, when if I don't say,
On sait. Il y a tout le
Frida, we always come back live every day.
Wow,
We have a
wow.
new package. Say it again.
The just breaking news.
Breaking
Breaking
news.
news.
One in
Tap.
Send.
Send.
Tap.
Send. Just give a break that on 26, which is London show. It's going to be giving free drinks
Wow.
to everybody. Tap, send. Thank you so much.
Correct.
Make sure you download this app. Come on, drink.
Yeah, find water.
Take it.
Understanding.
Tap.
Loud,
Tap.
make am a tap. More than more degene. Tap. Manegi go and drink you.
One man.
I'm up agba e. Who dey envelope go me so he drink.
Anyways, là, vous take big game, my c'est là.
Come where I find water.
Apostle, amazing. What the way my it support.
Every year.
Oh, they
Every 1 year.
My it support dream, man.
Oh,
You understand? I'm not even support a dream. No, even nagba man. Okay, so you know, tap, send. Go to Google Play Store, download tap, send. Very
You
effective
can use it
and
anywhere.
efficient.
It's worldwide.
And please watch out. 24-bit page. Our latest skit is coming to you.
It's gonna be massive.
Our
Loud.
latest skit is coming to you shortly.
You're going to love it.
You're going to love our latest skit.
No, we never drop that skit yet.
We're doing just Dublin in Ireland, and it's on the 28th. So if you're in Northern Ireland, Belfast, it'd be nice if you can join us. I'm not sure what the distance is from you, but it's our first time coming to Dublin, so we're just keeping it to just one place, which will be in Dublin, and it's on the 28th of December. Okay?
I can't afford to miss that show.
I know, me too.
I'm coming from London. How about you in Dublin?
Just imagine, yes.
Come and support us. We're so grateful. And if you want to be a part of this, you want to be one of our sponsors, please reach out to us. We always appreciate you. In fact, if you feel like it's Christmas, you just want to buy a gift for 10 people, let us know.
One person.
We'll announce it. One person can do it. You don't have to like have a business or anything. all the baby Cubanas out there, it's your time to reach out.
And the father Cubanas.
And the father Cubanas and the mommy Cubanas. Yes, it's a season of giving, so please celebrate.
Patience, easy Omorege. When my boyfriend did where you una take they do tap tap.
Easy one, I trust you, I hate you. Before woman, what to? I'm not going to have my way. It trust you, I'll be Harvard now. I'll be Harvard now.
Okay.
Yeah, I say I'll be Harvard now.
Easy now.
Francis OG, away Mama Eunice to get style one, I swear.
Yes, so.
Thank you.
Yes,
I love you.
So we will keep the rest other information for tomorrow. We love you guys. Thanks for supporting Manchester, Liverpool, Nottingham, Glasgow.
Subscribe, share our videos.
Please share our videos. We thank you guys for what you did. Thank you for the hospitality you give to us. To everybody that organized the show in Nottingham, we love you guys. Liverpool, we say big thanks to you guys. Then Glasgow, the same too. Everyone can't be mentioning names now because so we say big thank you to you guys and to the family that traveled with us. The guys that drove your van, 2 of them in a take turn by turn. Terry and Ken, thank you guys. The engineer, say thank you guys. Then the drummer that came from Spain, say thank you. Big thank you to you guys too. Everyone that did one that made it everything successful, we say thank you guys. And we believe that no master.
Thank you so much. It's okay. It's okay, Terry's wife. That rice was amazing. Thank you for keeping us going on the road. Thank you for the food. I totally appreciate it. Thank you so much. I'm my father. Oh my God. That was why I always say for the support. Thank you. Welfare is so important when you're traveling with the whole group. Yeah. So for those people that always support me to make sure welfare is sorted out and thought about, thank you so much. I completely appreciate you guys and I love you guys.
And
my sister-in-law, Mercy, I love you, love you, love you, love you. Thank you for always keeping us in your prayers. I know we're Devani. Thank you so much. I love you, Mercy.
Our latest skit, let them know our latest skit is coming on your Instagram page for subscribers.
Yes. Yeah, okay. We will put it on my Instagram page. So please go and subscribe. Please subscribe. Let's do that. 24 bits family. 24 bits family. 24BITS_ them family. That's it. Very simple. Once you just write 24, you just see my face.
Subscribe. You're going to see the clip is going to come up
very fast. You
shortly just, after this video ends.
From beginning to the end, you'll get our gear. It's lovely. So, guys, we gotta go. Love you guys.
Thank you very much.
Thank you for bye. Our people don't go and subscribe with us. No, worship man. We want to say big thank you. Without you guys, we can't do anything live. We want to thank you guys. Our commentators.
Association of Commentators, my Facebook family. I always enjoy you people's comments and your sharing. I appreciate you guys so much. No, I have a few tired one. I have replies. For every bass, there is a corresponding boast. That's why I love you guys. So thank you guys so much.
No boss.
Okay. One final round. 30 seconds.
Tell about the way my association, that Edo Artist Association of Nigeria. And one word. Thank you very much for your support.
Okay.
Yes, when we carry retire, you retire. Why you fair ni supporting ma? Why you wa say? Why give you wa Mama you for why you are ma? Why are we your body here? Thank you.
No, wa say o. Ekpome e mariere. Ekpome na maye bi akpom was. Kia unda we Emi when I get do wala o kwa mi. Emi when I get do me no.
Mamu egberi o to ya pon wa ya o. Opon me so when na wi o be o. Na rene do ge gbe imaje. Na rene do egbe imaje o. Wa ki ma ya yo bo daji.
Iwe mu waya fefe.
Yes.
Yo, to all Edolites home and abroad, we say big thank you to everyone. We love you so much. To all the 24 Bits family home and abroad, we love you so much. Keep watching and keep subscribing, please. Do you know that officially you can invite your friend to like this page? Just share to your friend and say follow 24 Bits family, and we'll have you on board. We love you so much, and with thanks to everyone. One love. Mama say,
Mama Benny.
Thank you, my Facebook family. I love you guys. Why always say cabo. Totally appreciate you guys. We're having Christmas at mine, by the way. We're hosting everybody at mine. So I'm doing but and I'm open for Christmas food cooking. So if you can help with that, I'll be so grateful because it'll be a lot of people to feed. So if you cook and you want to bless me with a color of jollof, a color of meat, whatever it is, I'm completely open to it. What's the cabo? Love you guys.
Wait, 24 Bits.
24.
Do you guys
24
know
bits.
that?
Just-
Wait,
just
24. Wait,
one question.
Manager,
One
wait for
question
me.
that has come up that I would like you to attend to.
And what's the
Please,
question?
can you also add Melody in London?
Melody is
show?
quarantining in Benin City. He's always part of this show. Wherever he chooses to leave the lockdown, he has put himself. Because the time Melody, I get lockdown, I get quarantine. When you're quarantine, they better don't stay. Mama not quarantine well. I'm not lucky with that Melody. Walking and the road is open for you. Come home. Come home now. I've told you.
Okay, 24 Bits, can you run this section off?
Wait, boss, before you run up, this one is my month of birthday.
Yo.
Yes, now. I'm on a glove of me.
Why are you going to have a pa? With birthday?
Hello, distinguished ladies. My birthday is 24th, Christmas Eve.
Wow.
And he's got an event that date.
And he made choice. I work for the money. Send your good things, please. Please, guys. I will love you so much. Please turn up for us. I beg.
So please, on the 24th, all birthday, all
put money for
everything, cash, apart from kind. Cash. Apart from kind. What is the kind?
The kind is enough.
Cash, everything, gifts. I will birthday gift or a place. We said it all. My when we come back again, we will also talk about it.
Thank you all very much for your support. We're going to
1 minute now. Manifesto Unplug 0.66
on the
9th of January.
Yes.
Where do number
on the 6th of January.
On the 9th of January.
9th of January,
Manifesto
Manifesto
Unplug 0.6.
When be your
The place never get it to.
On 20th of January. So please just keep following the page. You will see everything. Yeah.
Yes.
Thank you guys and good night. Any other question again?
No, let's keep those other questions for later.
Okay.